is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
I don't know what y'all talking about. Where I live, they don't talk a lot. I don't know what I be talking about. Hoes say I don't talk a lot.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, today's Tuesday in Korea, and we actually have the day off because it's Hangul Day. So technically, I am having a relaxing day. I did not do any type of makeup at all today because I've been cleaning and whatnot, but I did figure I should film another Halloween look. And this one is an alien witch. It's another face chart. This one was sent to me and I figured I did her other one, why not do this one too? So it's a lot of green, whole lot of green. So I'm going to basically be painting my face using an eyeshadow palette. I'm going to paint my face green using eyeshadow. I have paints, but I don't like to use paint only because that's harder for me to get off and it takes too long. Eyeshadow, I literally just use makeup remover and it's gone. So enough talking. Oh, by the way, if you're new, my name is Nikki. Live in South Korea. Makeup, tags, skincare, Korean life, all those good things are on this channel. Enough talking, let's get started. So now that my entire face is green, I did add some, a little bit of the glow drops from Eddie Funkhauser, so it's even more shiny now, and I love it. Again, if you didn't know, my phone is here so that I can look at the picture. So if you see me looking off to the side, it's not me being rude, it's me literally trying to look at the picture. However, my phone is being weird. Can't wait to get a new one. Anyway, I'm going to be using this one to do my eye look. Well, this one, the Morphe 35U, as well as the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette to do the eye look. But my face is Eddie Funkhauser and this looks hilarious. So like I said, I'm going to take this one, excuse the dirtiness, and I'm going to go into this green shade and this green shade using the Morphe M156 brush, the fluffier side. For the next part, I'm going to be taking this again, the BH Cosmetics palette, this shade here, and as you can see in the picture, there's like some white, but it's not just white, it's like bright white. So I'm going to be using this iridescent white shade, and I'm going to put that under the eye, up here, and all the way down my nose, and maybe a little bit here, just a little, using the fluffier end of the Anastasia brush. Using the same palette, same brush, I'm going to go into this purple shade now and put that under, but like not all the way down, just right in this area. Here's the part where I get to have fun. I'm going to contour my nose, going back into the Eddie Funkhauser palette, using this shade, because if you look in the picture, like here's really like a dark olive green. So I'm going to take it on one of the Vander brushes that I got from AliExpress and just then I'm going to take this brush, which is a Morphe B14, and paint the entire bottom side of my nose. Now if you look in the pictures, like right in this area, there's like an iridescent blue. So I'm going to take, oh baby, I'm going to use both these palettes. Oh, that's cool. And I'm going to be taking this blue shade plus the iridescent white and put them in the inner corners. Hopefully this works out well because, whew. Believe it or not, we are almost done. So I gotta put some stars on my face and the moon here. Oh, this is gonna be fun. I'm going to be using liquid liner. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Real fun. Okay, so I did a few touch-ups here, and I actually used shadow to fill that in. I didn't touch the stars though, we just gonna leave them how they are. Time for the lips. It is a purple and like a lighter shade here, so I'm going to be using this very nude pink by Revlon. This is their Ultra HD Matte Lip Color in the shade Seduction. And then this is the Clean Color Medley Matte in number 1641 or 1641. I don't know the name because the name is not there, it's just the number. And this is the finished look. I actually like how this turned out. And yes, I did the stars on this side bigger than the picture, only because I want them to show up. Like, and it's really I don't like, most people that I know, like that I've seen on Instagram try this look, they use stamps or stickers. All my stickers are at work, and I don't have stamps, so worked with what I had. I like this. I actually like it with the bigger stars on one side and then the smaller ones on the other side. I don't know, it just looks, this is so crazy. I look like, what's her name from the Avengers / Guardians of the Galaxy. Can't remember her name right now, but you know who I'm talking about. Minus all the stars and stuff on my face. But yeah, so this is the second Halloween look I've done. Yay me. Because, you know, sometimes you feel like a nut, sometimes you don't. Yes, I did not paint my neck green. I felt like that would be doing too much, so I tried to put on a shirt with a higher collar so that when I take the pictures, you don't really see this. I mean, and the hair. One of the main reasons why my hair is not behind my ear or out of my face. Just hide the non-green neck. Also thought that putting green on my neck and then trying to put a top on so I could take pictures would be disastrous. Like, I live alone, so trying to put clothes on and not mess up makeup is a very difficult task for me. I like this look, although I don't know if anybody has ever tried the clean color Madly Matte, but for some reason the purple is very sticky, so my lips, whenever I talk, they just they do that, so I have to hurry up and take pictures because I know eventually it's going to get stuck and then start I don't want to say flaking, but coming off. So that's look number 2 down. That is it for this look. Done. I will see you all tomorrow for my skincare video. Bye.